Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to compress a PDF and iLovePDF in 2026. So let's get started. Now compression PDF helps reduce file size, speed up uploads, save storage space, and also make sharing much easier. First you're gonna make sure to open iLovePDF by going to Google and then type in iLovePDF in the search bar. Once the website appears, you're gonna click on it and you're going to be directed to this website's homepage right here, where you're going to click on the section Optimize PDF. Now from this section, you're going to click on the Compress PDF tool. And then once you're here, you're going to select either to upload this from Google Drive, from Dropbox, or you can even select a PDF file from your computer right here. I'm going to choose a PDF file, for example, this one right here, and I'm going to upload it. Now here you can choose the compression level. You can choose extreme compression for less quality and high compression. That means a smaller size. Recommended compression, which offers good quality and good compression. And less compression, which offers high quality but less compression. That means a bigger size. So you're going to choose an option depending on what you want. Then you're going to click on Compress PDF. Now the PDF will be compressed. And you're going to be able to download this by clicking on Download Compressed PDF. Now here you can see the reduced file size. Now many users compress resumes, reports, presentations, and scanned documents. And also another huge tip is you choosing the recommended option if you want a balance between quality and file size. And that's it. Now you know how to compress a PDF file in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.